Okay, this is a little tour of Radisson Blu in Heathrow. Well, not in Heathrow, but on the outskirts of Heathrow and Bath Road. It's another quick hotel view. And I've just woken up this morning, tired. I'm going to go to the Terminal 5 in a minute. And yeah, so let's have a little tour. Obviously, this is the door that I came through. And then the first thing, let's look at the bathroom. Not a bad bathroom. I took advantage of the bath today because it's really deep. And that's a pain in the bum there, getting out of the bath on the floor. That door stopper. It's not very well situated, let's say that. But yeah, just a normal bathroom. It's okay-ish. You mean it is. We have a big wardrobe, and there's me. So yeah, quite a bit of space in there. This just rolls back automatically, it's a bit of a pain. And this side is your ironing board, your safe, and your, what you might call it, iron. And I got some moisturiser there. Big TV there. Place you can put your suitcases down. That's the bed. Nice king size bed with a big padding at the back. Chair if you want to sit down separately, a bit of a table to do some work, and I got some random, this is old, some random sockets, the old USB things, and it looks like there's a satellite connection there as well, little satellite thing, and a few pictures on the wall. Old curtains. Let's do a bit of a pan round here. So yeah, so it's not the biggest, but it will do. Oh, there's one more thing as well I noticed in the bathroom. How many bathrooms have you been into a hotel and you get this? Behind this mirror, look, there's a phone connection thing there. What's that all about? A phone connection in a bathroom. So you can bring your landline next time, just plug it in. Right, anyway, not much. Not the biggest room, but it's all right. This is actually called a superior room. But it's done the job. And I got it on a bit of a deal anyway, so it's done the job. I've had aircon on, but it's not very, 16.5. It's not very strong. Anyway, that'll do. Right then, that's my room review of the Radisson Blu in Heathrow. So thank you. Bye.